Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Tech, and it's 7:44 p.m. on January 16th. Guys, what a brutal day. Brutal day on the market. All right. Down big. We had a flash crash. That's what this is. All right. Much of it was attributed to Jamie Dimon, the JP Morgan's CEO. All right. Whenever he speaks, the market seems to listen, unfortunately, even though they shouldn't, because I think he's just manipulating the market, but that's another story. Um, but also, it seems to be a pattern that happens every January, like I explained earlier, that there's a major sell-off before a long bull trend in crypto. Right, every January around the Chinese New Year, it seems to happen. So I don't know if it's some kind of ritual or something, but it happens every year. So I'm not too worried about it. This is actually the greatest chance, one of the best chances you'll have all year, and possibly ever, to get a lot of altcoins and Bitcoin cheap. All right, this is a huge chance to get all of these coins that you wanted to get into: IOTA, Neo, Cardano, Ripple, Rayblocks. Just about everything is so down that you have a big chance right now to make a lot of money. So look at it as an opportunity. If you're a trader, you can take advantage of pretty much any situation. And if you were savvy enough and you got your money into Tether or US dollars, where's Tether at? Tether's up 2.15%. If you were savvy enough to get into Tether before this all started, you have a huge chance to make a ton of money right now. Right? Or if you have US dollars, and you want to put it, you want to buy some Bitcoin with it, now is a great chance. All right? Your Coinbase account, your Voax, or whatever you use to buy crypto, Gemini exchange, you have a great chance to make a lot of money right now buying these altcoins, buying Bitcoin. Like I said, everything is an opportunity to a trader. So, yeah, guys, just take your time, analyze the market, and choose what you think is undervalued. Everything is undervalued right now, but check out what's really, really undervalued. What kind of technology the coin has, all right? What kind of upside there is. This is a great time for all of that. So just do your due diligence, make good choices. Now, another thing happened today, which is crazy. Bitconnect is over. Lending and exchange is over. It was actually on Bloomberg TV, okay? They actually had a ticker on Bloomberg TV saying Bitconnect lending shut down, or Bitconnect company shut down, something like that. So it made cable news, all right? It made cable TV. And it's very weird because that news came out, and if you go to Hit BTC, there's a lot of buy orders in there for BCC for some reason. Bitconnect said they'll still support the coin, but I mean, that doesn't mean anything. What does that mean? Because without Bitconnect, the coin is pretty much useless. Unless you could, people are going to stake it, possibly mine it, but really, what's the point, honestly? So that is kaput. And now, we should look at it as the industry's cleaning up, things are tightening up. A lot of the junk is getting pushed aside. Hopefully a lot of these junk coins that I talked about earlier or yesterday, they're delisted and they just fall to the wayside. There's a lot of junk out here. People just pump and dump them. They're similar to penny stocks. And hopefully those are also weeded out eventually, and we can get some nice, great technology, good coins, good things to buy and hold. And everything will go up from there. It's just wild speculation right now. So, wild, wild west. That's the scenario we're in. And a lot of crazy stuff is bound to happen. So, yeah, Bitconnect is out. USI Tech is out. I don't think they're actually even going to pay anybody in the US or Canada. So, really, in terms of quote unquote investments, all right, there are a few lending platforms left. There's Devor, there is Connect. But really, besides that, all there is mining, Hashflare, CCG. Mining is really all that's left. Mining companies. So, the one I recommend the most is Hashflare, easily. Because Hashflare allows you to reinvest. They're totally legit. They've been around for years, all right? I think this is their 4th year they've been around. And it pays well, and it pays every day. They haven't missed a payment. So that's what I would recommend in response to Bitconnect's exit and USI Tech's exit. I say USI Tech's exit because even though USI Tech is technically still running around the world, I saw there's a YouTuber in the UK, Britain, and he shut down his whole channel. And I don't know why he would do that, because he's not in the US or Canada. So that's kind of suspect. So really, it's Hashflare and a couple of other mining sites, the Vorcoin, which is strong. But other than that, you have to buy ICOs, and that's very limited if you're in the US, Singapore, China, Canada. Those opportunities are limited. So that's what I recommend. I recommend Hashflare. I recommend CCG. Here's Hashflare, 1.38 terahashes. The projection is double about right now, and that's because Bitcoin is down. Bitcoin goes up, the year projection goes up as well. But there's not that much left. You know what I mean? There's also Octoin. That's a good one, because that's also focused in Asia. But yeah, it's really ICOs and Devor and Hashflare, CCG, and that's really the roundup. So I encourage people not to get discouraged. Today was an opportunity to pick up a lot more Bitcoin and altcoins. And also, the whole industry is getting cleaned up, and they're weeding out the bad stuff. So that should be something that you're thankful for, especially if you got beat by Bitpetite or one of these other quote-unquote companies. But guys, take care. Have a good day. Enjoy your evening, and be cool. Keep it cool. Relax. Please do not FUD. All right. If you're a sub of mine, please do not panic. Panic selling is the worst thing to do. Okay. All right. Take care. Peace.